Everybody was nice, the party was pumping. And everybody having a ball.
Helen Cosford, bhuanig Helen Dúis, meet up Gaelic Glasgow, no Gaelic Glasgow. Agus show Helen agiri agra Rutigin and Eolis Leishan Dúis achge.
Hello, Smisha Helen, Vamia Dol Gu Alpan. Hamia Joanna Unit Un Affigat.
Two Eddie girls calling them K9. Hey! But they tell me, hey man, it's part of the party. You put a woman in front and a man behind. I have a woman shout out. Who let the doors out?
Hi there, I went to Alpan course last week. Did the 5-day course, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, and Scots in Glasgow. And would recommend the course to anyone at all to go along, learn to speak Gaelic, and it is absolutely amazing what you come away with. No writing, no literature, it's just speaking, listening to tutors, playing games with your peers, repeating phrases, and by the end of the day you've completed your 20 units, you have got the most basic Gaelic and would be able to hold a basic conversation in Gaelic. Agus Hamia $1 ash. Tap a leaf.
Well, more in tank Helen. Bawr of us a change enough, Jagra, agus Ami Kinchuk Gumbu Rash, Anaf, Hurus.